They're saying, okay, boy, I have another good one here for you today. A chocolate fountain. Oh, it doesn't get any better than that. Chocolate fountain. So here we are. You put the chocolate in. Put that on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers, 5 tiers of your chocolate fountain. We also have a 6 and a 7. And the motor will pump it up. You just saw the screw thingy. Pump it up, it'll come out here and wow, chocolate fountain. Nothing more lovely than a chocolate fountain. Runs on a 5 amp fuse. In case you blow a fuse, we have spare parts for you. So that's all set. And we have the power and the switch. So you get your chocolate, put it in, turn it on, heat it, cool it, watch it go. Wow, can't wait.